Let me introduce you to our products. Basically, we are Cyclect Nismix. Well, some of you might be wondering who's Nismix. It's a 40 years old company, and they evolved from a single equipment manufacturer to become a global equipment supplier for the paint and coating industry. And over the years, they have developed into a very successful hybrid engineering company that provides a complete automation solution for paint and coating industry. So over those years, with their success, Cyclect see the potential of the company, and we decided to take over the baton. And we acquired Nismix last year, and to become one of our business unit in Cyclect Group. So they started off as an equipment manufacturer. This is an example of the traditional equipment for paint and ink industry. And over the years, they have developed a lot of the technologies for dispersers, mixers, grinders, media mills. And Cyclect now, we have decided to look at the transformation. How can we go further? All right. So our solutions that we can integrate within our own business unit itself is not only just providing liquid mixing equipment. We also have powder mixing, powder handling, process automation solutions for paint and chemical industry. We are like an EPC, and also we provide professional services for those industry. And the equipment, we decided to do a facelift, and if you can see, it will be a big transformation. All right. Facilities from pre-mix, it will be dispersers that actually deagglomerates particles in the slurry form. And then the next process, for example, we have high viscosity mixing. We also have multi-shaft that does all the low to high viscosity mixing as high as 500,000 CPS. And then we have medium mills that actually breaks down particles from 50 microns down to below 10 microns requirement for the paint industry. Using media in the grinding chamber to break down the particle size in the slurry form. Right, and these equipment that we have developed are able to do very fine and hard to grind particles. So if you need all these kind of solutions, come to our booth and speak to me and my colleagues. We will provide you more information. And these are the batch mill. What you see before is called the continuous process, which you recirculate from as big as 3 to 5,000 liters process. For this medium mill, which is a batch single pot size, where you do the pre-mix, dispersion, and grinding at the same time. So we are very flexible in terms of facilities. We cater to the client's needs. So we also have pneumatic powder transfer system. Basically, we work with partners that specialize in powder transfer systems. We have various partners that we work with, and we integrate the whole solutions from powder, liquid, and dispersion to all the way down to grinding and packing. So we are a total solutions provider. So we have partners that we work with as well. We are also providing services to food industry, which we provide food grade mixers. As you can see, this our partner is called MGT. They are a European company. And we also have emulsifiers. And another partner is called Corop. And these are the process which is for, we call it the high mix, low volume system. Alright. So this is one of the technology that we help our client in the coating industry, which is like an implant tinting system. So we can make very high mix and very specific low volume requirement with many options on the downstream. And if you look at Corop, in the implant tinting system, we are able to integrate the full integration all the way from our pre-made system. So that is the reason why we have a partner. These are the intermediate process, which we are able to integrate the full system from preliminary stage to the downstream, all right, all the way to packing line as well. So Cyclect Nismix, we are very focused into industrial plant automation and digitalization. And why do we go there? The reason is because this is scalable and we are able to work 24 hours. For instance, there are some countries that we are able to do a second shift because you can save power, because in the second shift, some of the countries, the power consumptions or the power charges are much cheaper. So you can do on the second shift and the productivity can actually increase. And the cost of manpower reduction, energy saving, and reduce waste. And you can maintain the quality. So when you maintain quality, basically you have no waste, right? So it's more consistent and less human errors. So you have a very good standard in terms of your quality of the product. And then of course safety and data collections, real time. And these are, you can provide also predictive maintenance, right? And you can optimize the production. And any issues, you can be traceable through the automation system. So this is how we do it. In the whole process, we do a basic feasibility study for our client. So if we are doing a full turnkey for our client, we do feasibility study. We look at what is the production capacity, what is the process flow, and also what is the human flow as well in the plant. Then we come up with a conceptual